Hello, students. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. Law are made by legislator. Second, the Chief Justice of Supreme Court is appointed by President. Here, first one, judicial review. The most important responsibility entrusted to Supreme Court is the protection of the Constitution. The power of Supreme Court to strike down any law or act which is declared illegal under the violation of Constitution is known as judicial review. Public interest litigation. Public interest litigation refer to litigation court case filed on issue of public importance by individual citizen, social organization, and non-government organization on behalf of all the people. The court thinks over the questions raised and gives decisions. Civil and criminal law. These are two branches of law, civil and criminal law. Civil law deal with a conflict which affect or interfere with the right of the person, conflict regarding land, property, divorce, etc. Here, criminal law deal with the serious crimes such as thief, robbery, dowry, murder, etc. Here, number two, judicial activism. Judicial activism are judicial ruling that are based on personal opinion rather than on existing law. Second, in the last few decades, the court have become increasingly active. Third, the court seek to fulfill the constitutional goals of justice and equality. It provides legal protection to the marginal section in the society like women, tribal, worker, farmers and children. Why are the law necessary in society? First, the law treat everyone equal whether they are rich or poor, men or women. Second, law serves as norms of conduct for the people of society. Third, it is important because it acts as guidance as what is accepted in the society. Fourth, without law, there would conflict between the social group and community. Thus, the law are necessary to regulate, to protect people, to enforce right. Third one, second one, enumerate the function of Supreme Court. The function of Supreme Court are as follow. It has the responsibility to settle dispute between the center and the state or among state. It may also give order to relevant authority to protect protection of the fundamental right of the citizen, to review the keys of and order the lower court, and also review its own decisions. The president ask for the advice of the court to understand the legal aspect in matter of public importance. Third, which are the provisions that preserve the independence of the judiciary? There are several provisions preserve the independence of judiciary. They are first constitutional. The constitutions lay down the eligibility criteria for judges. Second, the judges are appointed by president. Third, judges enjoy security of the tenure. The retired age of judges of the Supreme Court is 65. The salary of judges are drawn from the Consolidated Fund of India. Fifth, the personal criticism cannot be made on judges for their act and decision. 6. The contempt of court is considered in public offense. 7. The parliament cannot discuss the decision of judges. Organization of judiciary. First, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Chief Justice, Chief Justice, and District Judge. So that's all. You all copy down this answer. Thanks.